Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have a good news for all blog channels, especially for you WeKu users. Okay, recently WeKu team listed WeKu Coin in steem-engine. So today I'm going to show you how to transfer WeKu Coin into steem-engine through BitShares and also steem-engine into BitShares. Okay, one thing you must know that there are no direct gateway of WeKu to steem-engine, so you must have knowledge about transferring your WeKu coin into BitShares. If you want to know more about transferring, go to link in the description. Okay, let's see how to transfer WeKu coin into steem-engine. Firstly, you have to open BitShare dashboard in portfolio tab, and now you can see I have some WeKu coins in. Now click send button in WeKu Coin Raw. After clicking, you can see this type of interface. Now you have to type here Steam Engine because you have to send your WeKu coin to Steam Engine. Then fill the quantity box, whatever quantity you want. I want 4, so I am typing here 4. In memo field you have to type here WeKu P, then your Steam account name. I am typing here WeKu P and Jahanson because it is my Steam name. Then click send button. After that you have to confirm it. Now you can see my transaction has been completed. After completing this process, if you want to see where your coin has been received, you have to log in your Steam Engine account. So I'm going to log in my Steam Engine account. After logging, go to wallet and click show token history in WeKu Coin Raw. Now you can see I have received 3.96 coin. Well, we have completed first part. Let's turn to second part. I mean how to transfer WeKu coin Steam Engine to BitShare. Simply go to wallet and click withdraw button. It would open this type of interface. In first box, you have to select WeKu. In second box, I mean in withdraw amount box, you have to fill quantity, whatever quantity you want to withdraw. In last box, you have to type your BitShare account name. Then click withdraw WeKu button. After a few minutes, open BitShare account and go to dashboard, then activity. You can see here I have received WeKu coin from Steam Engine. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.